Hi there, I'm Juliana Broste. People call me Traveling Jules because I'm always on the move. I'm a travel filmmaker and host, a content creator. I'm a one-woman show. Today I'm going to teach you 5 tips on how to vlog creatively. Wait, where are we? Tip number 1, producing. Before you even head out with your camera, you've got to do some research. Find out what time things open, figure out if you need a permit to fly your drone, all that kind of good stuff sets you up for success. When I was in Korea, I didn't even realize that there was this amazing little hanbok rental store so you could rent the traditional Korean dress. And I just wandered by and found it. So sometimes, even when you do your research, you just discover cool things along the way. So have your camera with you at all times. You just never know what's going to happen. Tip 2 is all about the gear. These are your tools. You want to make sure that you pack everything you need and nothing more. You want to pack light so you don't have to carry it around, but also be aware that it's what other people see. So if you want to go super stealth, go super stealth. Don't bring a whole lot of gear. And if you want to go really professional and impress your clients, well, you know what to do. Pro tip, when you're shopping for the perfect vlogging camera, you've got to have one that has an audio jack, a headphone jack so you can check the audio. Also, you want a very angle LCD screen so you can be super flexible and get all different angles, a wide angle lens so that you're not too close. And of course, bonus, if you can use your phone as a remote control to control the settings. Tip 3, variety is key. When you're shooting yourself, you want to make sure you're at eye level, but when you're shooting B-roll, you can be as creative as you want to be. Get high, get low, stretch around. You've got to move your feet. For vlogging, we really want it to be authentic. We want you to tell your story. I love to go handheld. It just gives it this raw, real feeling. But I also love shooting with a gimbal because it has this dreamy cinematic feel. So a little mix gives you a lot of variety. Tip 4, fun up the edit. Start with your best stuff, and it's okay. Sometimes things don't work out. We try things. You gotta leave it on the cutting room floor. Only include your best. The story comes to life in the edit. And for vlogging, it's kind of fun to add a few mistakes. So an occasional blurry shot or a shot where your camera just falls down. I mean, include that because it feels more real and raw. You know, when I learned video, it was a no-no to have a jump cut in your story, but now it's super fun and super authentic for vlogging. Tip 5, get comfy on camera. Now, some people love the spotlight and others, it's a little awkward and weird, and trust me, it's not easy to be on camera, but it takes practice and it's a whole lot of fun. Don't be scared. I recommend writing a script before you go out so you got an idea of what you want to say. You can also practice talking off of bullet points, so you just hit the key points. Or just ad-lib. See what happens, let it go with the flow. I hope you find these tips helpful for vlogging creatively. I'm Juliana Broste, Traveling Jules. You can find all my travel adventures over at travelingjules.com. And for any of the video questions you may have, head on over to thevideohustle.com. Happy travels!